you ready for this? Alright.
Andrew's about to make his milk explode.
My biting. My biting.
Okay, go.
That was sad. That was sad. It only came.
Somebody give him another Emmy. We need another milk. Can we borrow? Oh, thank you.
Really? Go empty this tray.
Make it explode, goddammit.
Save my milk. Gummy bear show.
It's a moon bear show, and yes.
I was happy that this time.
Make it explode.
Just make it explode already. Oh my god!
Alright. I got a hole in it.
Come on, make it explode bigger. Come on.
It's all coming out of the hole. That's what she said.
We need another milk. Go get another milk.
Jamie, go get your milk. Hurry up.
How you doing?
Hope you know. Good luck.
Alright, I can only take like one more milk and this thing is going to be empty.
Come on, Jack.
Go get another milk.
Like literally, there's a hole right there. You see that? Oh.
Go get another milk. Yes.
Wait, are we gonna watch it?
Oh shit. We're gonna need some napkins.
Go get a couple napkins.
I ain't getting napkins. I sacrificed my milk.
We need napkins.
I sacrificed my milk, bitch.
We're making it explode. It's going on YouTube. I'm not taking your tray up. You're taking my tray up too.
I had to take both of them up?
You did that one too.
That is disgusting.
That's it.
Make it explode. Light right here and just go.
I want a drink though.
Make it explode.
Well, I get one for you eating my juice. No. Okay.
Covered in chocolate milk.
Alright, get some napkins.